Why are Jewish people so rich and successful? Discover the secrets. Have you ever wondered why Jewish people are often associated with wealth and success? Throughout history, Jewish people have been perceived as being wealthy. But where did that rhetoric stem from? Today, we're diving into the reasons why Jewish people tend to be richer. Stay tuned because you might find some surprising insights. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. 1. Judaism and wealth. Judaism refrains from portraying poverty as a symbol of virtue, unlike certain other faiths. Instead, it advocates for every individual to steer clear of destitution and engage in meaningful work to sustain themselves. This principle serves as a cornerstone, fostering a strong work ethic and instilling a sense of personal accountability in ensuring one's livelihood. Within Jewish teachings, there lies a belief in the act of giving back. It is held that a portion ranging from 10 to 20% of one's income should be allocated towards supporting religious and philanthropic endeavors. Nevertheless, there is a firm stance against depending solely on charity to elevate one's status or burden the community. Nurturing such a mindset from a young age lays down a sturdy groundwork where success becomes the sole path forward. 2. European Jews couldn't own land. Think again if you believe that anti-Semitism's roots only date back to World War II. Throughout history, Jewish individuals have faced hardships, such as the inability to own land in Europe since medieval times. Nevertheless, with determination comes innovation, leading Jewish communities to explore different avenues for accumulating wealth beyond land ownership. One such path involved venturing into commerce and trade, sectors in which they continue to hold a significant presence worldwide. This strategic move not only bolstered their financial standing, but also provided a sense of security for Jewish populations, ensuring their safety in regions where their expertise was valued. 3. Religious opportunity. In the Middle Ages, Christians believed that the act of charging interest was deemed as a sinful practice. This belief restricted them from pursuing any financial occupation, thereby paving the way for the Jewish community to dominate this sector due to their different perspective on lending. Consequently, Jewish individuals flourished in the realm of money-lending enterprises. Their initial triumph in this profitable domain laid the foundation for various stereotypes associated with Jewish money management that persist to this day. 4. Open the first banks. From money lending to establishing the first banks in Europe for the Jewish community was just a hop and a skip. Handling transactions, transfers, and day-to-day financial services, along with lending money and charging interest, fell within their capabilities. Their profound knowledge in finance made this service essential in a continent that was still evolving, contributing to further advancement. Nonetheless, it was not all sunshine and rainbows. This prosperity also ignited envy, playing a significant role in the deep-rooted anti-Semitic feelings over the centuries. 5. The most educated religious group. In the year 2016, a study was unveiled by the Pew Center, and it states that the Jewish population stands out as the most enlightened religious cohort worldwide, boasting an average of 13.4 years devoted to education. Their dominance in post-secondary certifications is notable, with 61% of such accolades belonging to Jewish individuals. Christians, on the other hand, claim the runner-up position with an average of 9.3 years dedicated to schooling. The Jewish community is renowned for its concerted efforts in uplifting the collective and generously sharing resources for the greater good. A profound sense of camaraderie fuels their support for one another, with mutual assistance deeply ingrained in their values. Upholding impeccable moral standards, Jewish enterprises strictly adhere to ethical norms, eschewing any hint of deceit as dictated by their beliefs. Moreover, resilience and tenacity are inherent traits within the Jewish community. The Jewish community's resilience has been a tapestry woven through the annals of history. Their unwavering focus lies in the realms of spirituality and pragmatism, with resilience and persistence standing as their defining virtues. Surrendering is never an option amidst business challenges, devoid of self-pity but brimming with a spirit that exclaims, "Let's unravel the solution."
HW.
Charles, the mastermind behind the Money Code, contends that the Jewish populace is renowned for their tenacity, a quality that propels them towards their aspirations. Perseverance embodies the ethos of persistent pursuit of a cause or objective, even in the face of hardship, hindrances, or dismay. A solid foundation in financial literacy, passed down through generations, stands as a cornerstone of Jewish prosperity. The community's inherent financial acumen and unwavering confidence in the realms of finance and real estate are truly commendable, regardless of one's allegiance. Within numerous Jewish households, financial matters are openly discussed, shattering the silence surrounding this subject. Parents impart the value of money to their offspring through a methodology involving 5 labeled jars for tithing, donations, savings, investments, and expenditures. Equipped with 10 shekels, children are entrusted with the task of allocating funds, learning from their missteps, and embracing accountability for their choices. The management of wealth is intricately linked to the teachings espoused in Sages of the Talmud by Mordecai Javitz, imparting sage advice on financial stewardship infused with spiritual impetus. This literary work underscores the significance of diversification in wealth management as a means to mitigate risks. Networking is important as it opens doors to business opportunities. Engaging with others helps in growing business and wealth. The Jewish communal life provides ample opportunities for networking during the Sabbath, synagogue gatherings, and Jewish celebrations. The Jewish community looks at the past to plan for the future, learning from historical patterns and trends to make better business and financial decisions. Understanding market cycles and gaining a foothold in worldwide currency is emphasized for gaining wealth. Mark Zuckerberg, who was raised in a Reformed Jewish household, has become more religious since becoming a father. He provides great advice for up-and-coming business leaders, emphasizing the importance of hard work for success. It is true that many Jewish people are rich, but it's also true that there are many who are poor. The same goes for every other person, Jewish or not. The Torah teaches beautiful principles for success in life, which we can all learn from. Self-learning, education, and a hunger to learn will set you on the right path to becoming financially secure. Robertson Dana Weinberg, an Orthodox Jewish Rebbetzin and founder and dean of Ayot College of Jewish Studies for Women in Jerusalem, shares advice we can all take in: there are no problems, only opportunities for growth. Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And for sticking with us until the end, here's your bonus. There is a long history of why Jewish people and money have been portrayed the way they have been. Some believe secret Jewish societies are running the world behind the scenes, controlling all the money. So there you have it, 5 reasons why Jewish people tend to be richer. It's a combination of cultural values, strong community support, and smart financial practices. What do you think is the most important factor? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and growing.